purpose of this presentation is to show functionality of Numatics G3 I/O system with control via a Proface HMI. The Proface HMI we're using is a GP4300 modular unit. It is connected to a Numatics G3 unit via Ethernet IP module. Main assembly has valve manifold, has digital input-output module, and an analog input-output module. First subassembly has a valve manifold, and second subassembly is only an input module. To show functionality of input-output module, we will use this illuminated push button. We will first do the inputs and secondly show the outputs. We access the I/O module and then we're going to activate the input via the push button, and you will see on the HMI the input turning on and off. Juan will activate the output on the HMI, and we will see that on the G3 the little light is turning on and off. Now we will demonstrate the main manifold, valve manifold unit, and Juan will activate the actuators we have connected to it. We will demonstrate the input-output analog module. He activates it. Now first here we have to set, we're going to give it an output voltage, and the way we have it connected is the output feeds the input side of the unit, and we are actually regulating the output through this pot. So we put output 10 and it should go maximum 10. Okay, if he modifies that value to say output of 5 volts, then the maximum should be 5 volts. Now, demonstrating on the module side, you can see as he turns the handle on it, it's giving us that output that we are seeing digitally on the Proface unit. We will demonstrate the second valve manifold. One will activate the first unit and then the second. We will now demonstrate the second I/O unit, and here we will also demonstrate the diagnostics. Here he is turning on an input. You can see here on this unit as it turns on and off. And we go to the main screen and that same input is turning on. To another input, and he's going to activate it. You can see this one is input 0 on the little screen here, and if we go up here, we're going to demonstrate the diagnostic capabilities. We made a diagnostic screen on this one. Juan's going to put in a circuit that is going to short the unit. As you can see that, short circuit. And you'll see in our monitor where we are getting the same signal, notifying us of a short circuit. And do another of the inputs as a short. And again, it shows a different place where we're getting the short at. We will also show a little sequence, control sequence done through the Proface, where we're actually actuating a lot of the cylinders, and with the checker is going to inspect the tip of this bimbo cylinder on the bottom left corner, And depending on whether it has a cap or not, it'll give us a different result. And by the same sequence, we're going to actuate one of the units on the right-hand side, depending on that result. Second one, we have added the cap to the bimbo cylinder, so he's going to activate it again, and we should get a different result. We're going to show the functionality with the remote HMI, where Juan has downloaded the free edition for now, and he will activate this sequence through his cell phone using the remote HMI application. Doing it again, but with the cap on the bimbo cylinder.